Make Sofrito sauce. Sofrito sauce is usually used as base to different dishes such as stew, beans, and soup.Is also mixed with rice. Tomatoes, garlic, and onion are its main ingredients. These are sautéed in oil, making this aromatic and flavorful. There are different versions of Sofrito in different countries. In Spain, this is usually served with tortilla Espanola or Spanish omelets. You can also try using Sofrito on your menu to add more flavor and aroma to your recipe. This is quick to do, and this will surely make your foods more delicious. To have a taste of this Spanish recipe, you can make Sofrito at home. Cooking Sofrito sauce includes only basic steps in cooking like cutting ingredients and sautéing. Even if you're not that good in cooking, the finished product will be great without a doubt. Here are the steps on how to make Sofrito sauce. Prepare the things that you will use in making Sofrito sauce. These are frying pan, medium or just enough for your ingredients, red bell pepper, 1/2, medium, olive oil, salt, amount depends on your taste, onion, 1/2, green pepper, 1/2, medium, garlic cloves, 2 pieces, and tomato, 1 piece, medium. You can also add habanero pepper or jalapeno. Habanero pepper is one of the spiciest types of pepper and usually used in making hot sauce. You can use this if you want your sauce to be really hot. Finely chop the garlic and chop green pepper, red bell pepper, onion, and tomato into small pieces. Cook pepper and garlic. Get the pan that you will use for cooking. Put this on top of the stove and turn stove to medium-low heat. Add olive oil on the pan and let it heat. Once oil is hot, add finely chopped garlic and 1/2 chopped red bell pepper, then add 1/2 chopped green pepper. If you will be using habanero pepper or jalapeno, add this as well with the ingredients on the pan. Cook for about 10 minutes. Stir the ingredients every now and then until you reach the specified time. The aromatic smell of the mixed ingredients will already spread on the kitchen. Add remaining ingredients. After 10 minutes of cooking the ingredients, you can now add your chopped onion. Let this cook for 5 more minutes. Stir the ingredients every now and then. After 5 minutes, add chopped tomatoes and season with salt. Stir the mixture every now and then until it's cooked. You will know that your Sofrito sauce is ready when the red and green peppers turn soft. Tomato juice will also be seen on the mixture. This will take about 20 minutes to cook. When you see that it's almost done, taste your Sofrito sauce and see if you like the taste. You can add more salt if preferred. Adjust the taste according to your preference. You can now serve your Sofrito sauce by pouring this on top of rice, omelets, or beans. If you're having a party at home, why not have a Spanish theme and surprise your guests with your dishes mixed with Sofrito sauce?